Today we are going to be cooking something from Home Chef. This is the Firecracker shrimp, and it's just shrimp and rice in a spicy sauce. So the first thing you want to do is assemble your ingredients and then read the instructions. You want to make sure you read it all the way through to the end so that you know what you're going to be doing. So right now I have my rice cooking in my Instapot and my ingredients are assembled. The only weird thing I would say is the shrimp is pink. So I'm not sure if that's cooked shrimp, partially cooked shrimp, or what, but in the past when they sent shrimp it was always the normal gray uncooked shrimp. So we'll see. Things you're going to need on your own will be some olive oil and a pan, and I also recommend a little bowl to put your shrimp aside in case they start cooking more than your sauce does. You don't want to overcook shrimp. Shrimp should be tender and bright pink. It should not be chewy or poppy in your mouth. So now we're going to open our shrimp. You want to make sure with seafood that you're always careful with contaminating your other vegetables or cutting boards and keep everything very clean. We're going to put these onto a plate and pat them dry before we start cooking them. And that way we'll get a nice golden shrimp color. So we're just going to take some paper towels and pat this dry. Now this is thawed and has been in the refrigerator, but if you had it frozen, you could put that whole pack in a bowl of cool water. And I'm just trying to get all of the little shrimp separated a little so that I can make sure that each side is dry. I went ahead and seasoned my shrimp with salt and pepper and a Cajun spice mix. Now that my pan is heated up and my oil is warm, we're going to carefully add in our shrimp. And even though you have oil, it will stick at first. You want it to form a golden crust on the bottom before you start turning it over. So just give it a little bit of time. It takes about 1 minute on each side or until the shrimp is pink, bright pink. See, not ready yet. Alright, now you don't want your shrimp to fully cook as it's going to finish cooking in the sauce, so we're going to go ahead and put it into a bowl. Now I added more oil to my pan. I turn it down and we're going to turn it back up to medium. We're going to add our water chestnuts. They give you these little packets of Sriracha, so you can adjust your spice as you like. I'm just gonna start with one because there is chili in there, which is a little spicy. So here is how our final dish came out. I'll say it is a good recipe. It's very flavorful. It's a little bit spicy, but you can adjust the level of spiciness that you want. And of course, shrimp is very healthy for you. So as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.